Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Mr. Tommy Class. This is the last video for the Unit 14 Being a Good Citizen. For those who haven't watched the previous videos, you may watch it later. I have included the links at the descriptions below. In this video, we're going to have a more relaxing lesson, that is to study the graphic novel titled Unity is Strength. Hello， 大家好，欢迎收看 Mr. Tommy's Class。这是个关于 Unit 14 Being a Good Citizen 的最后一个视频了。那么还没观看之前视频的朋友呢，你可以到 description 处点击观看。那么在这个视频呢，我们将会来一堂比较轻松的课，就是学习或者来看看这一个名为“团结就是力量”的图像小说。Alright, English Year 5, SJK, Unit 14, Being a Good Citizen, Language Arts, page 126 until 127. 那么有课本的朋友呢，你可以打开第126页的你们的英文课本哈。So the first one, as usual, we're going to go through the vocabs, the original text and the translations, and then answering the questions. Okay, so the first one, 生字新词 okay, the vocabs there. Okay, this photo, what does this show? Okay, 这个其实就是 unity 的意思就是团结。这个呢，这个就是 strength 就是力量。So when these two words combine, unity is strength 意思就是团结就是力量的意思啦。团结就是力量。So this is the title for the graphic novel that we're going to go through today. Okay, this is a flock of flamingo. Okay, 一群 flock 的，其实我们真正要看的这边呢就是 flock 呢就是指一群。OK， 那么它是属于我们讲的这个量词一种说一群火烈鸟，一群。那么我们可以讲 a flock of bird。Okay, a flock of sheep, right? So this is 群 and then doves 就是鸽子 okay, 鸽子 Now flock of doves 就是一群鸽子的意思 Okay, this one 这个呢其实是香料啦，可是我们不是来看香料了我们真正就是来看就是 scattered spices 就是散落的香料这些香料呢散落在那边 scattered， 我们要看的是这个字 scattered。 OK， 这个就是 beneath 下面 OK， beneath a tree, beneath a box, beneath a table OK， 桌子的下面椅子的下面，这些都是 beneath。 Right, next one is the original text and the translations， 就是原文以及翻译。 Right, now this is the first one.Once upon a time, there was a flock of doves that flew in search of food. 意思就是说，很久以前呢，有一群的这个鸽子呢，正在飞翔找食物。OK， 它们正在找食物啦Right, hey Danny, we are hungry and tired. 就是hey Danny， 我们很饿了，已经很累了Just a little while more and we'll get to eat. 就是再多一阵子呢，我们就可以吃了。它的意思就是这样。So Danny flew ahead and found some rice scattered beneath a tree. 意思就是说，丹尼呢就继续带领这些鸽子呢往前飞。那么他找到了一些的米粒呢，洒落在树下有很多米粒。So all the doves had a good meal， 就是所有的鸽子呢都吃得很好，吃得很饱。Suddenly, a net fell over them， 就是突然间呢有一面网呢往他们盖去盖起来了的，这个网盖着。Help! The hunters coming to get us， 就是这个 hunters 就是猎人猎人要来抓他们了。说救命啊！猎人要来抓我们了Danny had an idea. He knew that there was strength in unity. Okay, the title of the story, Strength in Unity. So 他说他有一个办法，他知道呢，团结就是力量。Okay， 团结就是力量。So Don't worry, let's all fly up together, carrying the net with us. Ready? 1, 2, 3。什么意思？就是说，他讲大家不要担心 ，Don't worry， 不要担心，让我们一起飞起来，然后同时呢，也把这个网呢一起带走啊。这个就是 Danny 的办法。准备1、2、3啊，就是一起飞。So each dove picked up a portion of the net, and together they flew off, carrying the net with them. 就是说每一只的鸽子呢，都帮忙扛着这个网的一部分，然后就一起飞走了，跟网一起飞走了。你看，全部一起飞走。OK， 全部一起飞走。Danny led the doves to the home of his friend, the mouse. 就是说，丹尼呢就领着这一些鸽子呢，就到他的朋友，他朋友呢是一只老鼠的家啊，到了这个老鼠的家。So, help Melvin, we're trapped. OK, help Melvin, we're trapped. 就是说，茂文啊，救命啊，我们被抓了啊，我们被抓了。So, the mouse answered them, Sure, I'll get you out first. 啊，当然没问题，我来先帮你啊，我先帮你。这是他要帮这个Danny 先啊。But Melvin began to gnaw 的意思就是咬啊，啃咬。At the net to release Danny. So 茂文开始啃咬那面网以解放丹尼。可是呢 ，Danny 就说 No, wait, please help my friends first. OK， 都不需要这样知道了哈。No, please help my friends first. 这样不，等等，先帮我的朋友吧。啊，这个 Danny 呢要求 Melvin 先帮他的朋友。Melvin made a big hole in the net and set all the doves free. 就是这个茂文呢在网上面呢啃出一个大洞，然后呢解放了所有的鸽子啊，所有的鸽子都被解救了啦哈。So, thank you Melvin, thank you my friend 啊，就是茂文，谢谢您。朋友，谢谢你啊。OK， 你可以看到 ，Right. So this is our graphic novel. 所以很简单、很有趣的一个 graphic novel. So， 那么同学们，你们看这个 graphic novel 的下面呢，其实就有几个 questions 来回答。Let's go through the questions together, shall we? Okay, answering the questions first. Okay， 看你们的理解。Okay, this first one. Which picture shows that the doves cooperated with Danny? 就是我们哪一个图呢可以看得出呢？鸽子呢，这个其他的鸽子呢与这个丹尼呢有合作？哪一个图？其实我们可以看到的就是第5个图啊。Okay, the fifth picture shows that the doves actually cooperated with Danny. Okay, if they didn't cooperate,I don't think that they're able to fly the net, right? 如果他们没有合作的话呢，他们根本都是不能把这个网呢一起起飞那样 ，OK? So picture number 5 shows that the doves cooperated with Danny. Alright, number 2. What do you think could have happened if the doves had not worked together? 就是如果鸽子都不合作的话呢，你觉得会发生什么事情呢？就是这一个题目呢，就是 it's very obvious, right? The hunter or the farmer definitely will caught them all, okay, and then maybe sold them, okay, to others, 对啊 to the pet shop or what 啊，就说如果鸽子呢都不合作的话呢，那么这一些鸽子呢，很肯定的就会被这个猎人或者这个农夫呢一网打尽啊。So if the doves did not work together, they might end up caught by the farmer or the hunter. Right, the last one, number 3. Was Danny a good citizen of Dove Kingdom? Why? So, 你觉得呢？丹尼呢是鸽子王国里面的一个好公民吗？为什么？啊，这其实就是很简单 ，straightforward， okay? 一个很简单的问题。其实就是 Yes, Danny is a good citizen. 为什么？This is because he united the other doves. 所以说一个好的公民啊，他可以帮助其他人啊，他可以帮助其他人。那么除了帮助其他人呢，他也可以带动其他人一起来做好事啊。So in this case, we can see that Danny actually helped the other dogs, and also he able to lead the other dogs to do the good deeds. OK， 所以他可以团结他们，对吗？ So thanks for watching. That's all for now. So that's all for now. If you think that the video helped you a lot, do smash the like button down there. And for those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more updates and videos. And don't forget to turn on the notifications. Stay tuned. 那么这一次的视频呢就到此。如果你喜欢这部视频的话呢，就帮忙点个赞及分享。还没订阅的朋友呢，就只点击订阅。我们再会。